This scheduler doesn't seem to be too bad on a mobile device. So I've just got it running in a web page right now. I don't have it. I haven't tried it with PhoneGap Build yet, but so there's our regular list stuff. So that's okay. So now we'll invoke the calendar. Generally, it seems to be okay. I'd have to look at the settings to see if there are some specific swipe settings. But if I swipe from left to right on the calendar, it seems to jump to August. I'm not really sure why. I'm going to swipe back and I will come back, but I can't seem to jump a week at a time unless I hit the buttons here. Then it lets me jump up for a week at a time. From right to left, if I swipe, I'll go to May. Don't know why, and then I'll come back. So I can't try a little swipe. That doesn't seem to work. Or a slower swipe. Nothing like that works. What else is there? I can move these. So if I touch and hold an event, it tells me to drag it to move it, and I can. So that's nice. Tapping on, I've got an on-click event on the events, which is something built into the calendar. So if I tap on the blue 3:30, nothing seems to happen. It takes a minute to come up. So I'll just give it another minute. So that doesn't seem to be working. Let me try again on another one. Maybe it was double tap. I think it was. Yeah, there's double tap. So now I'll try it on the bottom 4 o'clock one. I'll just double tap on that. So it does seem to take a minute to pop up, so I'd have to look at that as well. I can move to another date, click on the calendar, move back through the dates. I'll see January as, and I can just tap on 18 and it'll come back into the current view. So all that's nice. What else is there? If I turn to landscape, it's not too bad landscape. It will move, so it does scroll, but then scrolling doesn't really lock into place. So there is some movement up and down, which you might not want. And some of the other features don't work that well, of course, because the hover stuff doesn't seem to work. All the buttons, of course, they work, because that's all alpha. And if I move again, go back to today. Yeah, the swiping seems to be a bit too sensitive. Overall, not bad, but I'd have to look into why it's swiping a little bit too much. Because you'd want to swipe a week at a time. So maybe that's something that I can have a look at to see if it's adjustable. That's about it. Thanks.